Hello, my name is Bruce Hollinger, and I'm with WiSys. I want to talk today about our Outlook add-in, which is a business intelligence tool and is also part of our Agility suite of products. Now, the way this product works is it identifies the individual in the email. In this case, I have a person called Tony Street, and I know that this is company 901. Now, how do I know that? I know that because if you go into Outdoor Adventure Outlet 901, Tony Street is a contact and Tony Street has an email address. So that allows us to associate Outlook Adventures with Tony Street. So as a business intelligence tool, we've decided to look at things like their aging information. And in my Outlook AR collection video, I talk all about how that can be used. I'd like to talk about other BI components that I've put in here. Now, these are totally customizable, as you would have you'll get if you listen to my How We Made It video. But in this case, I've decided to look at all of the orders for customer 901. In this tab, I'm looking at all their history of orders. In this tab, I'm looking at my personal requests. And in this tab, I'm looking at only the requests in Synergy associated with that customer. And that's why I have the Synergy icon. So this is all back office data. I know Synergy is considered to be front office information, but the reality of it is it's just part of the same Macola database. So anything that's in the Macola database can be viewed with a BI tool. So let's look at the orders. I want to do some things here with the orders. Well, actually, I had some filters on here already. And I'm going to expand this first because while I can look at all this data in this pane, there's a lot of information to be able to see in this small of an area. So I can, and I may see what I want because I can move those columns around, but I can also expand to a bigger screen. I even have more data here, and I have linked data. So let's say using just agility sort criteria, I want to look at all status ones, and I want to look at just certain types of POs. And I want to sort that by order date. And then I want to drill down and look at the items associated with that order. And I can even then drill in and look at other inventory information related to the items and keep drilling from there. And that's just part of the filtering and the drill down capability of Agility. Now, if I don't want to launch the whole screen, let's do something different. I'm going to go over here and look at order history. And one of the other buttons I've added to the order history is a pivot table. I decided that what I'd really like to do is see what 901 Outdoor Adventures has been ordering. And so I've done this pivot table here where I've linked it by quarters, and we've done that because we've created other data elements that allow us to do different time periods. And I showed that to you when I showed you another video on how we made it. And in this case, as a salesperson, I'm not interested in margin as much as I'm interested in sales. So like any pivot table, I have full pivot table kind of control. Now let's look at one of the things that many times when I look at requests in Synergy, I find it's a little difficult to sort on everything I want to sort on. And again, as you've noticed before on the full screen, I can really sort on just about any field I want. So I'm able to go in here and look at different information. And I can sort on any one of these fields. I can even start typing the field and it'll shorten up to that information immediately. So you have different types of filters that you can use inside here. In this case also, I want to go, what I've been trying to do here, because it is Outlook and it is a customer service solution, I really want to look at their sales forecasts. And I know that that's type 60. Because what I really want to do is make a sale. Now I can actually come in here and open this up and look at the Synergy request itself. And because this is a form, I can see that it's a sales forecast, it's a linked form, and it's for these 3 products. Later on, I'm going to show you a demo where you can actually take and convert this into an order and process it through Agility and the Agility product itself. You could actually, anything I do in Agility can also be done here. So I could actually process all these requests into a full sales order right inside Outlook. Thank you for listening to this video.